Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why the British built an empire. Britain's journey to global dominance was complex, driven by various factors that evolved over centuries. Initially, early explorations were fueled by a desire for wealth and prestige, seeking valuable commodities and new trade opportunities. The empire's growth wasn't always a top-down, deliberate strategy. Often, it expanded organically through private interests and local ambitions. Understanding these diverse motivations helps us grasp the vastness of its reach. Economic incentives were a primary force behind the British Empire's expansion. Colonies supplied essential raw materials, like cotton and sugar, which were vital for Britain's burgeoning industrial revolution. These territories also served as captive markets for British manufactured goods, ensuring a steady demand. Furthermore, controlling strategic trade routes, such as the spice route, allowed Britain to dominate the lucrative trade in commodities, generating immense profits and power. Beyond economics, political and strategic considerations heavily influenced imperial expansion. Intense competition with other European powers, like France and Spain, drove Britain to acquire territories to assert its dominance and prevent rivals from gaining an advantage. Establishing colonies in key locations provided crucial military and naval bases, protecting trade routes and projecting British power globally. The formidable Royal Navy was instrumental in securing these strategic interests and maintaining control over vast distances. Cultural and social factors also played a significant role in empire building. Many Britons believed in a civilizing mission, feeling it was their duty to spread Christianity, British values, and governance to other parts of the world. This sense of cultural superiority often justified their imperial actions. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals, to help simplify your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.